video, man, or maybe some not too good news, at least for me right now. I'm on my way right now, man. Gotta drop the bloody cat off, man, at the dealership where I bought it at. The reason why I'm dropping it off today, I had this appointment set the appointment up. Basically, pretty much what's been going on is, you know, I put the cold air intake on. I got no issues with engine wise, but it's like when I'm driving, if I turn left or right, and I didn't hear this until like I drive down with the windows down sometimes without no music, obviously. But I'm driving, and when I turn, the sounds like somewhere in the brake area. It's like, I don't know if anybody else owns a Hellcat or anything that from Dodge that you probably had this issue or not, I don't know. But pretty much the issue I'm having is I drive, and when I turn left or right, no matter which way I'm turning it, you hear like this like click, 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 like that noise coming from, it sounds like from the, because I had my girl drive it one day and I was out looking trying to hear where it's coming from. I can't pinpoint where it's coming from, but I can tell it's somewhere in the brake area. So I don't know if something's rubbing the brake, maybe something got caught, but I don't even think something got caught in it because it's on both sides. So that's what I'm doing right now, man. On my way to bring it to them and drop it off, man. And they're gonna have it for a couple days, so I'm gonna get a loaner car until that time being, until they figure out what's wrong with it, or, you know, maybe hopefully it's just something small, man. I'm hoping so. Hoping it ain't nothing like major that they gotta have for a while and like put some new, I don't know, whatever, put new brakes, whatever it may be, you know what I mean? So I'm hoping it's just something, maybe something small they can fix and it be done. They don't have to have it for 2 days. So yeah, man, that's what the video's about, and definitely be keeping you guys posted, let you guys know what I find out about it and what it may be. But yeah, just like that, man, you know, it's a beautiful day. Other than that, man, I got everything to be grateful for, man. I'm still grateful to have this thing. I'm still grateful to have everything else I have in life, you know what I mean, man. Grateful for my family, man. So with that being said, Bear Gang, man, look, I'll be back, and definitely keep you guys posted. Bear Gang, Bear Gang, Bear Gang, 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 gang. I'm back just like that, baby. You see the bloody cat got dropped off, man. I had to drop it off. Hopefully, what they say right now is that pretty much, I guess with the SRTs, this happens. It's like between the rim and the rim and the rotor, rust build, like brake buildup gets in there, and supposedly this is what they say, brake buildup gets in there and it causes it to make that noise that I was telling you guys about. So we're gonna see, man. I'm about to go to Enterprise up here, get their little loaner car, and I know I'll let you guys know when I get the car back. They said hopefully by the end of the day they should have an answer for me and either have it fixed or something. So just like that, man, I'm out, and I'll let you guys in a minute, okay? Bear Gang, Bear Gang, Bear Gang, 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 gang. You know where I'm at, baby. I'm at the dealership. About ready to pick up the bloody cat, man. It's all, they say it's all ready, man. Once I get in the car, I'll let you guys know, show you what they told me was wrong with it, and yeah, just like that, man. I'll be right back with you guys, alright? Bear Gang, Bear Gang, I'm back, baby. Gang, 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 gang. Hey, look, I'm back. I'm in the bloody cat, man. She's going home today, man. She was only in there a day. They figured out what was wrong, so pretty much what was wrong is, from the papers here is what I read is, front bearings was bad on both sides. So the front hub bearings on both sides, they replaced them. Look at that.
Nice.
Ooh, that's that SRT, the Rango boy. There go the Trackhawk right there. That's the Demon. That's the red eye right there. See it?
Oh.
That's the red eye.
Is it Demon?
No, it's the red eye.
Oh.
That's the newest one they came out with. But Yeah, the front bearings was bad on it, so every time when I was turning the wheels and I was hearing that clicking noise, that's what that clicking noise was. Reading in their notes, they said when they first drove it, they couldn't find any noise, unusual noise, and it was fine. But then, I guess on a cold start, they said they heard the noise at low speeds. So, yeah, so it's going back home, baby. That's what happened to it, and just like that, man, you know, I'm so happy to have it back. It's always nice when I got my cars at home, man, and I ain't gotta drive no loaner car. It was nice to get a little review on it. Just some, whoa, god damn, people are retarded, man. To get some content, you know what I mean, just so you guys could at least see what I was driving and we could talk a little bit about it. But yeah, man, it's wet and rainy out here, man. I would kind of go a little crazy, but got the lady in the car, man. You know how she acts when I drive crazy, so we ain't gonna do that today, okay? And if it wasn't raining, I probably would, but it's raining, so I'm gonna be easy, man. But yeah, just like that, man, the bloody cat is back, and no more clicking noise, man. It's all set and ready to go, man. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. So if you guys look, you can see right there, this pad in the front of the rotor, I guess that's not attached to the rotor. So this little pad right here and the rim, something about those bearings in that pad thing, there's some bearings in there. Those bearings was bad, so they replaced them. And when they replaced them, as you can see, they look more new. That's what they replaced on both sides. So that's what all that clicking noise was. I don't know exactly how it goes click, but it was clicking, and that's what they replaced. But like I said, man, I got no more clicking noise. The clicking noise is all gone. So I'm happy to have the bloody cat back, man. And man, just want to say, man, I'm blessed, man. I'm blessed. I'm thankful for everything I got, man. And just like that, man, I mean, how can you look at this and not be blessed? You know what I mean? You got the SRT8 sitting in the garage, got the bloody cat right there. You know what I mean? Like, it's just big blessings, man. Big blessings. So that being said, man, you guys work hard for what you want, man. Keep grinding. Everybody out there striving to get somewhere, get to having a Hellcat, get to having an SRT8, whatever it may be, okay? Just, I'm here to tell you, man, keep grinding. Times get rough, don't give up, man. Giving up is easy, okay? You only make the battle worth it when you go to battle and you fight for what you want, you grind for what you want, and you work hard for it, okay? So with that being said, man, gonna get end this up with the final one. Woo! Yeah, baby. Gotta end it up with that final walkthrough, baby. Light hit that mug, boy. Woo!